Hey, what's up? My name is Derek. I'm with Defiant Wheels, and we're super excited to show off today's Defiant Vehicle Showcase. We've got with us a brand new 2026 GMC Sierra. It's an AT4 trim, so it comes with the factory level, and we're showing off our Defiant DF18 wheels. This is a brand new wheel style for us, and like all Defiant wheels, it's engineered around a target vehicle. So these are specifically engineered to fit the Silverado GMC Sierra 1500s. It comes in a 20-inch, 22-inch, and 24-inch option. We offer it in this machine silver or a beautiful gloss black finish. And the one thing that you need to know, no matter what size you go with, is they're all plug and play fitment. So we took care of all the guesswork. They fit perfectly on these trucks. There's no trimming needed. There's no level kit needed. You can run a 285/45 22 tire, or you can step up to a 285/50 22 if you have the factory level, or even a 33/1250 22 as we have shown here. This is a new Defiant DF18. It's available now. Come check us out.